Good morning, children. Today we are going to study nouns and its types. Noun is a very huge category of words which is used in English language. Let us go ahead and first see the types of nouns that are there in English language. Proper noun, common noun, collective noun, material noun and abstract noun. So as soon as we move further, we will study in detail about different types of nouns. What is a noun? A noun is a name of person, place, animal or thing. So, the first type of noun is proper noun, as you had already learnt in your previous class. So, what is the meaning of proper? Proper actually means something that is perfect, that is accurate. It is the first thing that comes to your mind whenever this word proper is used, isn't it? So, similarly, because it is a proper noun, which means it is very accurate, very specific, you could probably construe it to be something like this, don't you? If you read the definition, it is used to denote the name of an individual person, place or thing. So here, what is really special about proper noun is they are very specific. They have the identity of their own. One thing that is very important for proper noun is whenever we write their initial letters, it is always capital. This is something very important and this will help you identify and differentiate whenever in a sentence you have different types of nouns and you have to recognize which amongst them is a proper noun. It is a very easy way to recognize a proper noun in a sentence. So now you are aware of the definition. Let us throw some more light on the topic. So as I already told you, the proper noun is very specific. For example, what is very specific? It can be someone's name. Let us say my name, your friend's name or your relative's name. That is, anyone's name is actually a proper noun. You must have always observed that always a name starts with a capital letter. Now, I hope you get the logic to identify proper noun in a sentence. So, the definition of a proper noun is noun that identifies a single entity and is used to refer to that entity. Proper nouns are always capitalized, no matter where they fall in a sentence. Let us see some more examples. Alex is a wonderful player. So here Alex is a name. So Alex is a proper noun. Rohit is a good boy. Rohit is a name. So it is a proper noun. Delhi is a big city. Delhi is a name of a particular place. So it is a proper noun. So now you must have learned that proper noun is the name of a particular place, animal or thing. Proper noun always begins with a capital letter. Now let us go to the next type of noun is the common noun. Common noun is just opposite to proper noun. Right, when something is proper, it has to be very specific. But when something is common, it is totally contrary to that, opposite to that. So, common means not very specific or particular, but it could be general. So, of course, as the name means common or general, the definition is it is a generic name of a person, place or thing in a class or a group. So, any noun which is not specific, for example, I have this pen in my hand. So, I just say it is a pen, a bag, a dress or I say it is a table. Now, all these things, pen, table, dress, bag, all of these things are very generic, aren't they? Because a pen, there could be many pens in this world and I cannot call it a very specific. So, until and unless I attach a brand name, I am just talking about this pen. It is going to be a common noun because I just said pen and there could be many pens in the world. Now let us take some examples. Reena goes to school. So here, school is a common noun. Why? Because it is very common. There can be many schools in this world. But if I say Reena goes to St. Teresa school, then St. Teresa is a proper noun because it is the name of a school. I live in a big city. Here city is a common noun. But if I say I live in Delhi, Delhi is a proper noun. Why? Because it is the name of a place. Now let us see the definition on the screen. A common noun does not point a specific person, place or thing, but is common to all. Persons or things of same class or kind is called a common noun. Now see the example here. The girl is dancing. So here girl is a common noun because there can be many girls in the world. The teacher is teaching. Teacher is a common noun because there can be any teacher who is teaching. Now let us see the differences between common and proper noun. The girl went to the store. Girl means any girl, so it is a common noun. Ria went to the store. Ria is a proper noun because we know exactly which girl went to the store. Now let us take the next type of noun is collective noun. Collective noun. What do you think is collective noun? It could be collection, a unit or maybe a group of nouns. Could be something like what does the definition say? These are the names given to group of people, animal or thing of the same kind, considered as a unit, as a one unit. So, whenever you consider a particular class of nouns, you might consider nouns as a single unit. In that case, you call it as a collection. It's very easy to gauge. For example, it is a pen. If multiple pens together, that entire multiple pen together or pens grouped together and you consider them as one unit, you will call them as a collection of pens, right? So, similarly, there are few nouns. Whenever you consider them as a group or as a single unit, the name or the way in which you refer to them changes, and that is which is really exciting to us to learn. A team of soldiers, a class of students, a bunch of grapes, they all are collective nouns. Now let us see some more collective nouns. A flock of birds, you can see a flock of birds here, birds together. A group of birds is there, so it is called a flock of birds. A fleet of sheep, so many ships you can see here, so it is a fleet of ships. A herd of cattle, so many cattle together, it is a group of cattle, so it becomes a herd of cattle. A shoal of fish, an army of soldiers. All these are collective nouns because they are considered as one unit in a group. Now let us go to next type of noun, that is material noun. Material noun is the term that refers to a material or substance from which things are made, such as silver, gold, iron, cotton, diamond and plastic. Cotton dress is cheap. So cotton is a material used for making a dress. This box is made of steel. So steel is a material noun here. The chain is made of gold. Gold is a material noun here. So material noun is the name of a material of which a thing is made. So I hope you have understood the material noun now. Anything which is used as a material to make any product, it is a material noun. Next. Now next type of noun is abstract nouns. We have learned till now that nouns name people, places and things. One class of noun is abstract. Your five senses cannot detect this group of nouns. You cannot see them, hear them, smell them, taste them or feel them. Abstract noun is the word used to denote some quality, state or action. These nouns can only be thought or felt of. These nouns cannot be seen or touched. Quality is beauty, greatness and truth. This is a quality. Beauty, greatness and truth is quality. So it is an abstract noun. state. Boyhood, happiness and friendship is an abstract noun. Action is a thought or behavior, so it is an abstract noun. Now let us see some more examples. Idea is a thought. Happiness is a feeling. Thus, idea and happiness are an abstract noun. An abstract noun refers to quality, action and state of being. Now, kindness is a quality. Laughter is an action. Beauty is a state of being. So, kindness, laughter, beauty, they all are abstract nouns as we cannot see them, hear them, smell them or taste them or feel them. So, they all are abstract nouns. Now, let us review once more. Proper noun is a very specific or particular. Common noun, it is very generic name of a person, place or thing in a class. Collective nouns, these are the names given to group of people, animals or things of same kind, considered as one unit. Material noun is the name of the material of which a thing is made. Abstract noun is the word used to denote some quality, state or action. Thank you, children.